Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Monday. Here's to a new week ahead for all of us, and it is day 126 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
Wow, 126 days, that is crazy. Wow, who knew this would last this long and keep going? So if you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects in our garden while under quarantine.
And we're so thankful you're here today for our Mulching Monday tip. And for those of you that are new, welcome to our channel. We would love for you to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on all our daily videos.
So guys, today, Mulching Mondays, our tip for you is mulching during the summer. We got a quick hack, a quick tip for you just on that. You can mulch any time of year. And so during the summer, there's a couple things you want to be aware of and one specific thing that you want to do before you actually lay your mulch down. We're going to talk to you about that today.
So you guys, we figured we'd help you out today with some summer mulching, like Sean said, because you might not realize, I didn't, that you can mulch any time of year. A lot of people just think spring and fall, you know, for mulching.
And guys, we just got another chip drop. Can you believe it? It came really fast. We put it in maybe about a week and a half ago, maybe not even that, and it came super fast. And here it is. This is our new mulch.
And it smells amazing, by the way. And we really are loving the color of the trees that got shredded in this mulch delivery. It's like a really light color, which adds a lot of contrast to this dark side of our yard. So that was kind of a blessing in disguise.
Yeah, it's beautiful stuff.
Love
and
it.
It's from like a couple of different trees. We noticed when it got dumped, it was from at least 3 different kinds of trees. There was some fir, there was an oak, and maybe even some magnolia. It was pretty interesting.
That's cool.
So now you can see this has got some chunks of leaf in it, and then there's other chunks of things in here too. Don't mind the pine cones. That actually is from our own yard. They've been dropping a lot lately since it's been so dry from the big fir trees in our yard. So guys, I'm right down here with our new mulch. This stuff, oh, new mulch always smells so good. Okay, enough of that. So mulching in the summer. Mulching in the summer is not that different from when you mulch any other time of year. You want to make sure that your area is clear of all debris, and you want to go through and clear your garden of all the weeds in that general area before you actually mulch, because you don't want them to thrive. You don't want them to get the benefit of the mulch that your plants are going to get, that the rest of your plants are going to get. So weed first. So our hack, our tip to mulch during the summer is before you mulch, but after you weed, come through and soak your beds. Chances are your beds are dry in general because it's summertime. It's dry in most places of the United States and around the Northern Hemisphere. Soak all your beds, soak all the areas of your beds, all your soil, and get it good and wet, and then put your mulch down. And the reason for this is if you mulch during this warm time of year, you seal in the soil, you give that soil that insulation that it so needs and wants. You're also locking in its dryness. So whatever moisture level, dry, wet, whatever it is, you're gonna lock that in that time of year. And that's like a baseline of how your soil is gonna start out and your garden's gonna start out with that new mulch. And so what you wanna do is you wanna soak it down, get that water down into the soil, and then get that mulch right on top of it during this time of year to lock it in and make sure that your plants have a readily available source of water during this time of year. Otherwise, if you don't, you're gonna lock in whatever moisture level that's in your soil, and your plants could actually suffer, because when you water over mulch into dry soil, it's going to take a while for the water to get down through the mulch, penetrate down in, and let alone get past the mulch down to your soil, and then it's going to be hard for water to penetrate down into dry soil, where it's a lot easier for water to penetrate down into wetter soil. So, and that's something we can talk about later, maybe in another QG. But in general, in the summer, when you're mulching, water before you lay the mulch down. So guys, with all that, I'm gonna show you, we got our new mulch here. We did water these plants in really well before we laid the mulch down, but I wanna give you an example. So here's the old bed area before the mulch, here's the new mulch. Let's say we haven't watered this in yet. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna water this, and we're gonna really soak this in. And what we can do is we can do this by hand, move it around and do all that type thing, or we can lower down the pressure on the spigot or on the wand here and just let it slowly come out and slowly fill the area with water. And what's gonna happen is all that water is gonna filter down. We're gonna lock it in right when we put down the new mulch. And we'll just do this throughout the whole area before we put down our new mulch.
Okay, you guys, we hope that was helpful for you for your summer mulching in case you need to do it. And just remember to water first.
And guys, let us know down below in the comments section if you've ever mulched during the summer and how it went. Was it good? Was it bad? Let us know. And also leave any comments or questions down below too about this video. We love hearing from you guys. Also, give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos. Oh, and guys, if you're looking for more information on mulching, we have a Mulching Start Here page that you can go to. Go to spokengarden.com/mulching-start-here.
And thank you guys for being here and for watching today. We always appreciate it. And we'll be back tomorrow with another new project. And you can always find us on our Instagram page every day as well. So we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day ahead.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.